Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can find the link email option on your Blum account so that you can be able to link your email to your Blum account. It's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. So now for you to be able to find the link email button, what you can simply do is to tap on your profile icon. You can see your Blum profile icon right there at the top left. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see the link email button right there. You can see right there it is clickable. So what you can do now is to tap on it now in order to link your email. So let me tap on it. You can see right here they said add email. So let me go ahead now to add my email. Right there guys, can see I've added my email. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on submit. So let me tap on submit. So guys, can see the next step. It says check your email, confirm your email to secure your account. If you didn't get the email, then you tap on resend. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go over to my email. I'll go over to my inbox to check the email that has been sent to me. So let me go ahead now to tap on got it. Confirming your email is very important. This is the email verification step, so you have to go over to your email inbox. So let me tap on got it. Then let me go over to my email inbox. Let me minimize. Let me go over to my Gmail app. Can see it's opening right there guys. Can see that's the email from Blum. Let me tap on it now to open it. So guys, now you can see it right here, link your email to Blum, one click away. So let me go ahead now to link it. You can see the link right there. So let me tap on link email. You can see now it's directing me to my Blum account. My Blum account is opening up. Wow guys, can see it, you're all set. You're successfully linked this email to your Blum account. So guys, can see it right here. This is the most important step. You have to verify your email by going over to your email inbox to click on the link email. So guys, let me tap on got it now. Then let me go over to my Blum profile icon again to see what it's going to look like. Let me tap on it. You can see now it has been connected, it has been verified. So guys, now this is how you can be able to find and use the link email option to link your email to your Blum account. See you in the next upload. Bye.